Good morning. I'm meteorologist Michael White. This is our webcast on Fox10TV.com for Thursday morning. And what you're looking at in this shot is a severe weather risk zone for today. It's highlighted by this yellow color, and you'll notice it encompasses central and eastern Alabama, but it runs all the way up into the northern fringe of New York State. In our immediate area, it includes the northeastern quadrant of the viewing area, places like Clark, Monroe, Conecuh, northern Escambia County, Alabama. So if you live around Thomasville, Monroeville, Beatrice, Castleberry, Evergreen, and points to the north and east, there's a risk of strong to severe storms today where you could see large hail and straight line damaging winds. But for the rest of you, you're shaded in this gray color. Now, that does not mean you're going to be rain free. It means thunderstorms are possible, but they would be non-severe in nature. So be advised if you live inside this yellow risk zone, because that is where we could see some more active storms, but they will still be on the spotty side, meaning most of you will stay dry today. In the tropics, it's quiet. The Atlantic, the Gulf, and the Caribbean not showing any activity, and development is not expected over the next 7 days. Now, these temperatures are at the time we're doing this update a little bit after 9 a.m. 85 in the Port City. Gulf Shores, you're sitting at 84. Pensacola at 85. We factor in the high humidity, and this is how warm it actually feels outside. Pensacola, your heat index at 9 a.m., 94 degrees. Gulf Shores, yours is 91. Mobile at 93. Pascagoula, 94. And Brooklyn, you're cooking at 95 as of 9 o'clock in the morning. Now, the wind flow out of the west and northwest for the first part of the day. We're going to see it shifting to the southwest by this afternoon, and heat index values will push the triple digits by 3 o'clock, even though the actual temperature will max out at 93, and we'll have a 30% chance of hit or miss showers and storms. Now, at the time we're doing this update, a lot of people are under a sunny sky, but you see these thicker clouds tracking from north to south. That is the remnants of a very powerful storm system that impacted Kentucky and Tennessee last night. In advance of this surface front, most of the storms have weakened tremendously, but this is the morning. This is the time of day when the atmosphere is the most stable. Most storms do weaken or fizzle out, but the outflow from these showers and storms is going to reinitialize later this afternoon on the eastern side of the viewing area. Areas east of I-65 will have that shot, and if you're in the northeastern tier from Clark County to Escambia County, Alabama, your storms could be strong or severe. Now, this is how the Futurecast plays this up. Now, through the morning, I think any showers that initiate are just going to be random pop-up showers. But at noon, look what happens. Some of you are mostly sunny. Some of you are dealing with pop-up showers. And then the outflow storms are getting ready to head in towards Thomasville. They track southward by 4 o'clock. They're spotty, but they can be strong or severe, especially for places like Bruton, Evergreen, or Monroeville. And then by 7 o'clock tonight, the rain will only be isolated to Bay Minette to Destin, and then get ready to push off the coast from Gulf Shores to Destin by 10 o'clock tonight. And then everyone stays dry after that through tomorrow morning. At the beach, expect a high of 91, a slim rain chance with a water temperature at 85 and a moderate rip current risk. Inland, your high is 93. Tonight, mainly dry after 10 o'clock, lows in the mid to upper 70s. And here's how the next 7 days stack up. As that front gets closer, the scattered shower chances increase for Friday and Saturday, but then plummet on Sunday and Monday as drier air tries to work its way back in. Highs will stay in the low 90s and lows in the mid to lower 70s. That's your webcast. Thanks so much for watching right here on Fox10TV.com.